I think one of our real specialties for the most part is that students get a very strong business education in addition to the culinary arts curriculum itself, because we're really setting these students up. I'm not thinking about the student graduating and going into a cook's job or a line cook's job or even a sous chef job. I'm thinking about a student 10 years from graduation being an executive chef or a manager, and the skills that are going to be necessary to manage in the kitchen.
They're good at teaching. They're not just chefs who know how to cook, they're chefs who know how to teach how to cook, which is something that you definitely want in a school where you're learning how to cook.
We've got a USDA inspected meat lab on the other side of campus. They raise fish, aquaculture, hydroponics.
They focus on farm to table, so you get to learn about from the beginning all the way to when you're cooking it.
As you start moving up the ladder in the industry, you're probably going to be cooking less and less, and you're going to be doing more of menu development, scheduling, ordering, financial accounting, that type of thing. You're really going to be more of a business person as you kind of move up the ladder. So our students need to have really good hands-on culinary skills, but they also need to have a really solid business education as well.
You can come in here with experience and still feel comfortable and feel like you're going at the proper pace.
I don't think I've ever met a good chef who didn't talk about their grandmother or their mother in really great terms. They really kind of set the standard for what food is, and they give you these great food memories. And I think that's really what it's about in our business, is making people, it's a hospitality business, and our job is when people come into our restaurant and we feed them, we are kind of like a grandmother. We're trying to feed and nurture them, and not just give them food, but kind of nurture their soul a little bit and make them feel good.
When you get to actually see people eat and you get to serve them the food and you learn about cleaning and how you clean up after, and then like purchasing and stuff, it's really interesting to get the whole spectrum for the first time.